Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to delete a section on Wix step by step. I'll be walking you through this in the Wix editor on the web. First, head over to wix.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your My Sites dashboard. Find the website you want to edit, and next to its name, you'll see an Edit Site button. Click that. The Wix editor will load up, showing your website's current page layout on the canvas. Now, if the section you want to delete isn't on the page that's currently visible, you'll need to navigate to the correct page. On the left side of the editor, you'll see the Pages menu that's usually in the Pages and Menu panel. Click through to the page that has the section you want to remove. Once that page loads in the editor canvas, you're ready for the next step. Click directly on the section you want to delete. You'll know you've selected it when a blue outline highlights the section. That's Wix, confirming which section you're working with. You'll also see a toolbar appear on the right side of the screen. On that toolbar, look for the More Actions icon. It's the 3 vertical dots. Click on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options, and one of them will be Delete. Click Delete from that menu. If prompted, confirm the deletion. The section will disappear from your page. Now, to save your changes, look at the top right corner of the editor. You'll see a Save button. Click that to save your work. If you're ready for the changes to go live on your website, click the Publish button instead. The editor will confirm the save, and if you published, your changes are now live. Here are a few things to keep in mind. If you accidentally delete the wrong section, you can undo it by clicking the Undo icon in the top bar of the editor, but that only works while you're still in the same editing session. If you've already closed the editor and realized you need that section back, you can use Site History to restore a previous version of your site. Also, if you're not sure about deleting a section permanently, you can temporarily hide it instead. Just click on the section and then click the Show or Hide icon, which usually looks like an eye, in the toolbar. Keep in mind that deleting a section removes it from all breakpoints, not just the desktop view. You also won't be able to delete sections that contain apps like stores, events, or blogs, so if nothing happens when you try to delete, that's probably why. Thanks for watching.